Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to study 10 phrases and expressions in the Egyptian dialect that are very widely used and they are very important in the language. The first one is أعتقد. أعتقد, it means I think. Okay, so أعتقد إن الموضوع ده مهم. أعتقد إن الموضوع ده مهم. I think that in that الموضوع, the topic, ده, this topic, ده means this, مهم, important. أعتقد إن الموضوع ده مهم. So it's used to express your opinion about something. The next one is بيتهيألي, which is the same meaning. I know the pronunciation of it is a little tricky. بيتهيألي, بيتهيألي, بيتهيألي. I guess or I think also. So بيتهيألي إن الدرس ده سهل. بيتهيألي إن الدرس ده سهل. بيتهيألي I think in that الدرس ده, درس lesson, الدرس ده, this lesson, سهل, is easy. The next one is ايه رأيك أو ايه رأيك. ايه رأيك, رأي means opinion. So ايه رأيك when you're talking to a guy, and رأيك when you're talking to a girl or a woman. So ايه رأيك, what is your opinion, literally, but it means what do you think about something. So for example, ايه رأيك في الموضوع ده. ايه رأيك في in الموضوع ده, this topic, what do you think about this topic. ايه رأيك في الموضوع ده, أو ايه رأيك في الموضوع ده, if you're talking to a woman. So ايه رأيك. The next one is ممكن. ممكن. So ممكن is used for two things. To say that, to ask someone politely to do something. So for example, ممكن تفتح الباب. ممكن تفتح الباب. So would you or can you please open the door. So ممكن تفتح, you open, الباب, the door. Another way to use ممكن is to say maybe. For example, أنا ممكن أحضر المحاضرة. أنا ممكن أحضر المحاضرة. أنا ممكن أحضر المحاضرة. Maybe I will attend, or it's possible that I will attend the lecture. محاضرة, lecture, and أحضر, to attend, I attend. So أنا ممكن أحضر المحاضرة. Okay. The next one is مفيش مشكلة. مفيش, it means there is no, there is or there are no. مشكلة, it means problem. So مفيش مشكلة is no problem. Okay, no problem. The next one is آسف or أو آسفة, أسفة, آسف, أسفة. This is the feminine. So for example, أنا آسف, I'm sorry. أنا آسف. Okay. The next one is ولا يهمك أو ولا يهمك. So this is when you're talking to a man or a guy. This is when you're talking to a woman. So ولا يهمك, ولا يهمك means never mind. Never mind. So when somebody is saying, okay, I'm sorry, you can say, okay, never mind. ولا يهمك أو ولا يهمك. ولا, it's wa, and لا يهمك. Okay, لا means no. يهمك, يهم, it's from the adjective مهم, to be important. So it's here it's not important, okay, but it's an expression. ولا يهمك, okay, never mind. ولا يهمك. The next one is ما تقلقش. ما تقلقش. Here the qaf is pronounced like hamza, as usual in the Egyptian dialect. So ما تقلقش أو ما تقلقيش. ما تقلقش. ما تقلقيش if you're talking to a woman or a girl. And if you're not very familiar with this way of negation, you can check our video how to negate verbs in Egyptian dialect. So ما تقلقش, don't worry. ما تقلقيش, don't worry. ما تقلقش. ما تقلقش. Okay. The next one is خلي بالك. If you're talking to a guy, خلي بالك. And خلي بالك. بالك if you're talking to a girl. So خلي بالك أو خلي بالك, it has two meanings. A meaning, the first meaning is take care, to take care of something. And the second meaning is to watch out. Okay, for example, خلي بالك الشارع ده خطير. خلي بالك. Okay, watch out. خلي بالك الشارع the street ده this street خطير dangerous. Okay, أو خلي بالك من الكلب بتاعي. Okay, take care of my dog. Okay, خلي بالك, take care من. Okay, here take care of من الكلب بتاعي. كلب, this is dog. كلب بتاعي, my dog. Okay. على فكرة. The next one is على فكرة. على فكرة, it means by the way. Okay. If you want to say, for example, okay, by the way, this lesson is easy. So على فكرة الدرس ده سهل. على فكرة, by the way, الدرس ده this lesson سهل. easy. So على فكرة literally on. على on. فكرة means idea. So على فكرة on idea literally, but it means by the way. I hope these expressions have been useful to you. If you find our videos useful, you can subscribe to our channel and you can visit our website for more lessons. Thank you and see you in other videos.